Sherwayne Music.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sherwayne Music Production channel, the channel to be a part of. If you're new to the channel, remember to please subscribe so you don't miss out nothing at all. Also hit the notification bell so you would be the first to be notified each time I upload a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna go over a dancehall rhythm that I've created. It's called the GLE rhythm, GLE Benz rhythm. It's on the YouTube channel. It's the last video that was posted, so you can go and check it out. The link for it will be in the description and also pinned in the comment section, so you can go and check it out. Alright, with that being said, let's get into it. Now, my beloved friends, this rhythm is the first time I'm using a loop sample. First time I'm using a loop sample to make a rhythm. So this was uncharted water, but you don't know, we are beat maker, we are producer, we are artists, so we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. See, in this beat we have the loop right here, we have arcade, we have expand, we have nexus 2, and that's basically it. You know, we don't have a bag of plugins, you know what I mean. But what is fascinating about this rhythm is that the same loop, you know what I mean, because me dibble and dabble in sound design, so therefore, you know what I mean, I change up how the loop sound at a particular interval in the verse of the rhythm. But we are gonna get into that. So for now, I'm gonna play the rhythm so you guys can hear it. So let me clear the canvas so we don't experience no stucking and sticking in the computer.
Sherwayne Music.
Yo, that bad. So let's dig into it. So guys, as you know, when I build rhythm, I always build the course of the rhythm and then I scatter abroad how I want the rhythm to sound. So basically, you don't know, so yo, the rhythm build from right here. So right here, so all of the sounds are being played right here. See, now this is the loop. This is the sample loop that I use. So this is what it sounds like by itself. Hold on. This is what it sounds like by itself. In fact, let me isolate it and play it alone. No. Oh, yeah. So this is what it sounds like. Alright, so it sounds mellow. This is what it sounds like without no plugins on it. And let me even turn off the master so you hear what the sound like by itself. Turn on back the master. Hold on, let me turn off the reverb and EQ as well so it sound raw. So that's the sound by itself in its original state. See? So we bring it, we level it down, as you know, mixing have to take place, which consider balancing. So we level it down to -30. We put in 50% reverb because we bust it out to a reverb bus. Guys, this is one of my old template me that mix the rhythm, you know. Build the rhythm, you know. You know what I mean? But if you want the template with everything label and all that, feel free to link up. You know what I mean? The template is cheap. So you guys can purchase it. See? The WhatsApp group is in the description. You can join the WhatsApp group, and also my number there. You can WhatsApp me as well. See? So this is what it sounds like when I add the reverb and the delay to it. So it sound different. Of course, we EQ it. Of course, we add some reverb to it. You know, if it sound more richer and more fatter, and also we add some light compression to it. See, and this is what it sounds like before it. And this is what it sounds like with it added to it. It sounds more refined, more control, because that's what compression does. It control the sound. Alright, now I duplicated the sound because if you listen to the verse, the rhythm start with a verse. If you listen to the verse, the loop, copy the loop, the guitar loop again, and make a unique copy, send it to a different bus, which is bus 14, and again me use the same parameters as it relates to balancing, bring it to -30, but a whole heap of things me have a go on pan it right now. See, me have a meta flanger, I do some flangering effect, me have a EQ to make it sound different, me have a gross beat, me have reverb on it as well to make it sound bigger, and me have compression, a more aggressive compression on it, as you can see, -12. See, I'm gonna bust it out to the reverb as well, and also I'm gonna give it more delay so it sound more richer. So this is how it sound like. Well, if me take off all of the plugin off of it, you're gonna hear what it sound like. It's gonna sound regular. But you hear more delay because me add more delay to the sound. But this is how it sound like when everything that I just listed out is added to it. This is what it sound like. You call that sound design. So basically, let me change the loop to make it sound different, because I never want the guitar sound monotonous through it. You know what I mean? So I change up the loop here. At the same loop, but we'll make it unique, so you can't tell. You know what I mean? We added some, I think it's a string. I don't think it's a string. Yeah, I think it's a pad from Expand 2. And of course, we have to have from Expand 2 again the legato. And the Expand 2, Expand, which one? This one. We only have a stereo enhancer on it, some reverb to make it sound rich, compression again for bring it up as well, and we turn it way down, -36. I'm gonna do some little EQ in it because I that play around with the sound. You know what I mean? We do want the sound thin and also have like a synthness to it. So that's what I did. The legato, just spiccato rather, just a EQ, compression, light compression as well. Turn it down to -20, send it to a little bit of reverb. You know what I mean? This is what it sounds like. We have a 808 as well. TM 88. You know, this is what it sounds like. And as you can see, I cut up the sound to make the verse sound unique. You know what I mean? Because I don't like when we rhythm them monotonous. So this is what it sounds like. this is the 808 pattern. As you know, me always have like a slide in my rhythm. Like when the notes them transition, you know what I mean, with a slide or a glide, whichever you want to call it. Velocity turn all the way up, as you know, bus out to I think bus 10. Yeah, we have EQ on it. We have an RVox on it. I do some compression, you know what I mean, and that's it. That's the 808. You know what I mean? We could add more things to it like the tremor, but never want it too aggressive. You see me? And as you know, the kick. And I think some kick the right just as well. No. Here. So as you can see, the kick, cut up the kick and put them right here, so it have that little rollover effect there. And then we're going at the hi-hats and well, let me go over the snare. We'll go snare, which is a stick snare. Hi-hats. As you know, I go crazy with my hi-hats them. So the kick, the hi-hat, the snare, everything bust out the drum bus with my virtual mixing rack, my EQ and my compression on it. As you know, take out, merge the kick so it hit in the middle. The snare have its own EQ. The kick have its own EQ as well, and the hi-hat have its own EQ as well. You know what I mean? Using the EQ to carve out the space for each sound, and we bust them out to the reverb and the drum bus accordingly. This is me to taste and all them thing there. We have arcade as well. I got a sound from arcade. I think it comes in at the second part of the chorus. It's in the intro. This is the sound, the arcade sound from arcade. This is the sound. So it's a flute sound from arcade that me use night. You know what I mean? Of course, we have a little percussion I go on right here, so. Percussion there. And that's basically it. Just keep it simple, you know what I mean? And unique. And I hate that. We have what you call it? I have a dash down here, so. It's a transition. We have a sound here. Think this is from Anna too, you know. This sound is from Anna or Pike. Let me play this. Oh, it's from Nexus too. It's a pluck Pikes from Nexus too. So you hear it subtly in the back there. So that's how I build the Benz GLE Riddim, you know what I mean? Let me know what you guys think about it, what's your thoughts on it, if it's a hit or a miss or it needs something else or what have you. It's more louder than this, but on the master, I lock off some of the plugins them because You know, when you have the plugins them turn on, sometimes the computer lag, as you can see up here. Or I'm using a new on-screen recorder. You know what I mean? But it's more louder. Let me play it so you guys can hear it. But listen to the original on YouTube, the mastered version, just in case this starts stick. But listen.
Sherwayne Music.
Start stick already. But you can listen the mastered version, the full version. You know what I mean? Link for it is in the description. You can check it out. Tell me what you think. You know what I mean? Feel free to link up for the template. You know what I mean? If you get the template, you know what I mean, I'm generous enough to also share some of the sounds in my video. So make sure you come and purchase the template. It's just for $70 US. If you're local, it's 7,000 Jamaican. You know what I mean? You get the sounds and if you don't have the plugin them, we can help you get the plugins them as well. Same way, so you have all of the same settings them and preset them that you see in the Sherwayne Music template. You see me? Let me open up the Sherwayne Music template. This is it. You know what I mean? It's the best thing since sliced bread. All you need is just your sound them and you're good to go. All you need is just your creative ideas and the sounds them and you make history. You know, and as I told you already, this is the template that I use to make all those rhythms that you would have heard, you know what I mean, your favorite artists and so forth, you know. This is it, and it's also a label, the kick clap, so all you need to do is just route the sounds them accordingly. You get what I'm saying? This is it. Arcade sample, if you use arcade, percussion, you know, bell, counter melody spiccato, if you use spiccato, you can even change it up as how you want. Drum boss, everything set up for you. Master, everything set up for you. You know what I mean? So make sure you get the Sherwayne Music template. You know what I mean? It's a good place to start. It's a very, very good place to start because it has all the preset that you need to make a hit rhythm. Alright? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, if it had any value to it, if it inspired you, remember to give it a like, leave a comment so I know say yo, you check out the content scene. And also if you have a producer friend or artist friend, feel free to share this channel with them. And guys, I'm asking you, please go and follow me on TikTok. I want to go live over there. I'm gonna start build some rhythm on live and all them thing there on TikTok. So make sure you go and follow my TikTok over there. The link for that is in the description as well. Join the WhatsApp group, you know what I mean, and be a part of the family. Sherwayne, and I'm out. Bless up.